Hello everybody on Now You Know. I'm Bobby.
I'm Brent.
And today on the Vegan Cookie Show with Bobby and Brent.
So we're gonna show you how to make these sweet potato fries.
Oh, and they're gonna be oven baked.
Next
On Now You Know.
Bobby!
Whoa! Hey Brent, what's up there?
So we got a thing to show people how to make today, don't we?
Oh, again?
Again, we're
Seems like we do this every week.
I feel like we're like mansplaining food to people when
Hey,
we're making sweet potato fries today, Bobby.
Well, Brent, you know what I love more than anything else?
What's that?
Homemade sweet potato fries.
Oh wow.
And that's why we're making them today.
I didn't know that about you,
No,
Bobby.
I don't
is that
love
like
them
in
that
your
much.
Is that in your Tinder profile?
Yeah, I just love. I'm not even gonna swipe right for you because I am already in love with sweet potato fries. Yeah, Brent, we're gonna be making sweet potato fries, and if you've ever been to like, you know, some kind of restaurant,
Some kind of
restaurant,
Yeah, pretty much.
they make them there. Maybe you're wondering how to make them at home. It's really easy. I'm
Cool.
gonna show you how to do it today.
Awesome. Sounds good.
These simple steps. So check out the ingredients that you're gonna need to make this dinner/snack.
Sweet potatoes, canola oil, paprika, salt and pepper.
Okay, Brent, that was the ingredients.
Cool.
Are you? How did this happen?
Y'all ready for this?
We chopped the fries already.
Yeah, so step one would be chop your fries up however you like them. We did like a variety of different shapes and sizes. Totally
Yep.
up to you how you like to do your potato fries.
You can do them long, you can do them
Sweet
short.
potato.
Yeah.
Long, short, skinny, fat, whatever you like.
Whatever you want. So that's step one, is to chop the fries.
Yes.
Step two.
Yes.
We're gonna get a big bowl.
Okay.
The bowl can be as big as you need it to be.
Yes.
Basically, we have a really big bowl here because we got a lot of sweet potato.
Sure.
So we're making this for the whole crew.
Absolutely.
So let's throw these in the bowl.
Okay, just toss them in like that. Watch them bounce.
Toss them in. Let them bounce on the floor.
Exactly, that's extra
Everybody
seasoning.
do the dinosaur.
I know we didn't show that in the ingredients list, but part of the ingredients is floor scrapings. I don't know. Bruh. I'm not sure about this technique you got here, Bobby.
What do you think about it? Oh, the throwing them in.
Yeah, just
thing?
kind of like grabbing them like you're like in like one of those like money tanks where like they threw the dollar bills up and you're just like trying to grab them out of the air and stuff.
You know what, Brent? I don't like your technique.
You know, like just
Because you're dumping the money instead of grabbing it.
exactly. That's true. I'm dropping the money off. You know,
Yeah.
it's like a dead drop right here.
So we have our fries
Yes.
inside the bowl.
Okay, we're done. We did
That's
it.
it. All right, let's call it a
Good job,
day.
everybody.
So what is your grade for this, Brent? Okay. So now we're going to take our canola oil.
I give it a B for potato.
Potato. This is organic canola oil. You
Okay,
can use
cool.
really any kind of vegetable oil. The thing is, you're gonna want to avoid olive oil because
Okay.
the smoking point is actually lower temperature.
Oh,
So
is that bad?
it's gonna start smoking in your oven, which is not the end of the world. You can do it with olive oil, but it's gonna get smoky.
Okay.
So you're gonna wanna avoid that. If you can, use vegetable oil.
Sure.
So we're going to take the vegetable oil and we're kind of gonna just like eyeball this here.
Yeah.
We're gonna
gonna
basically pour it onto
Liberally
our fries.
drizzle it on there. There you go.
So, ooh, I'm sorry, Brent. I just
I'm
got
here.
some
No,
oil on it.
that's you set me up for the alley oop there. Now I just like flick it in.
Brent, what do you think? Do you think that's oily enough?
I don't know. I feel like I want more oil.
More oil?
Yeah.
Let's add some more oil. Do you want to
Personally.
give it a go with
Yeah.
your hand?
Yes.
Here, I'll let you do the pouring.
Yes. Hot cha cha.
Ha-cha-cha,
Hot cha cha, babe.
Ha-cha-cha.
All right.
God.
I'm Dennis Miller now. Oh, gross. Hot cha cha, babe.
All right, Brent. So
Yes.
we have done the oiling of our fries.
Cool.
I think now it's a good time to start preheating the oven so it can start getting hot.
Sure.
For when we put the fries.
What do we need to preheat it to, Bobby?
We're gonna preheat it to about 400 degrees.
Sounds good. Is it about 400 or exactly 400?
We're gonna preheat it. We're gonna preheat it to 400 degrees.
Okay. I was gonna say we could do like 389 or 398 or something like that. That would be good.
392.
Yeah.
All right, so Brent, we have our spices here.
Yes.
Now this is sort of where it becomes artistic for you.
Ooh, yeah.
You're gonna be able to do whatever spices you want here.
Cool. So it's gonna be like the artist, that silent film that
yeah.
randomly happened a few years back. Can I be the fun dog that's in that movie?
Sure, that was a weird movie. Didn't it win a few like Oscars or something?
Yeah, it did.
Yeah. Weird movie, but yeah, just like that movie, we're gonna be artists here, and we're going to start basically seasoning it to taste.
Cool.
So I like some salty fries.
Okay.
But I won't overdo the salt. We'll start with a little bit.
Okay.
We'll do a few cranks here.
A few here, a few there.
I would recommend about 10 to start.
Yeah, we got a lot of fries here, so obviously amend based on how much you make.
And I did about 15 cranks of pepper.
Okay.
And we're just gonna add a tiny pinch of paprika just to,
Is that a fresh paprika?
guess so.
I guess so.
We're gonna add some paprika just to add a little bit of color to the fries.
And some flavor. They get some,
and
get
a
some
little
nice
bit of flavor.
flavor.
A little bit of flavor, a little bit of color. Just gonna pop it in there a little bit. I think we're good with the paprika. I don't want to overdo the paprika.
Fair enough. I mean, listen, I personally can never have enough paprika, but
So let's
to each their
do
own.
a little more salt and maybe...
This is your recipe. You live and die by this.
We're kind of making this up as we go along, in case you didn't know.
Yeah, that's kind of how we do most things.
So let's finish there.
Cool.
And we will move on to step
3.
3-ish, 4, 2,
Yeah,
3.
I don't know.
We'll
Whatever.
move on to the next step.
Yeah, it's the next one, okay? We're just gonna put on the screen in this video the next
The
step.
next step. Okay, guys, it's time for the next step.
Yes, the next one
This-
in chronological order.
This step.
What if we did the steps like Christopher Nolan style or like Tarantino style, just out of order?
The
And,
step
you,
within the
You
step.
have to watch the whole video to figure out like what the actual series of events is.
So it'd be like
kinda neat.
Inception.
Ooh! Yes! Yes! That's what the internet is for there,
Yes.
baby. We did it.
Okay, Brent, so the next step, we're going to
Yeah.
be taking our fries that we have seasoned,
One at a time.
and we're just gonna plop them on here in no particular order, just plop them on.
There we go. That seems way easier than
Yeah.
doing it one at a time.
No,
Cool.
we ain't doing one at a time. Did I say one at a time?
No, I did.
Oh, okay. But that's looking pretty good. And we're gonna
cool,
put
cool.
this in the oven
Yeah.
for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. We're gonna let it cook, and then when 20 minutes is up, we're gonna take it out. We're gonna flip it.
Ooh.
We're gonna do some flippage.
Some
And we're gonna
flippage.
put it back in for another 20 minutes.
Cool.
So let's throw it in the oven. Okay, Brent.
Yes.
We have finished.
We made these fries. Against all odds, we finished them.
Somehow.
Somehow, some way, we did it.
Now, I have to say, it took longer than I expected.
Yes. Took a little bit longer than we were initially planning. I think probably like 45 minutes to 50
Yeah,
minutes
we-
instead of 40.
I'm really excited to taste these
All right.
bad boys. We got some condiments here.
Yep,
We
we
got
got-
our vegan-ace for me.
Yeah, because Bobby's an animal.
And we got our
Barbecue sauce for
barbecue
me.
sauce for Brent.
Sweet and spicy.
And I'll try to dip them separately.
Yes, please. No
So
double
that's it.
dipping. I'm gonna go egg.
Wow, Brent.
Yeah.
Really?
These are really good. These are really good sweet potato fries. not
All
gonna lie.
right. There you have it.
They got a good, even on their own, like they don't necessarily, I feel like, need a condiment. Like I can actually eat it on its own
Wow.
and be pretty satisfied with it. I like the ratio of salt to pepper that we got on there. I feel like
Okay.
that's pretty good.
I think so too, I agree. I'm gonna say A-.
Hey, man, okay.
Still an A.
Where did we lose points?
I think we lost points in the floppiness of them.
Okay.
A little bit. I like my fries crispy.
Sure.
We made 2 batches, and the other batch was pretty crispy. But taste-wise,
Yep.
we nailed it.
Okay.
So I think
I like that you're just like shaking it around, like you're like accenting your
Yeah.
points with a shaky fry. you know?
Now I love Be Good's fries, and I would say that these are better than Be Good's fries.
Ooh, oh wow, bold statement.
Yeah,
Shots
bold.
fired at Be Good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching this episode of the Vegan Cooking Show with Bobby and Brent. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check out our Patreon page. We got aprons on there, we got hats,
These
mugs,
aprons, mind you.
we got t-shirts, all kinds of stuff.
Oh my God, Brent. Yeah, so check out our other episodes of the Vegan Cooking Show. We got
Yep.
a lot of them.
And all kinds of other shows that we do on this channel
Oh my God,
too that
so
all
many shows.
relate to sustainability. So,
So many shows, so much sustainability, so much electricity, so much electricity.
I've been Brent.
I've been Bobby,
You've been watching the Vegan Cooking Show.
and I'm eating with my mouth full.
Yes.
Which is the only way you can eat.
Exactly. All right, bye.